So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an AI powered system for you that automatically reads incoming customer emails, understands the message using ChatGPT, and then creates smart replies or support tickets in platforms like Freshdesk, Zendesk, or Intercom. It also logs all the interactions in Airtable, ensuring nothing gets missed, and even sends personalized follow-up emails if needed. I'll show you completely step by step of how the system works, and then you can yourself sell it up to upfront $80,000 and for an MRR of $2,000 to $5,000 for maintenance depending on your services. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video and understand how the system actually works. So the first module we have here is the Gmail module. This module basically acts as the entry point of the entire automation. It actively monitors a connected Gmail inbox for incoming emails, most often support queries or customer complaints. Once a new email is received, this automation kicks off. The module extracts the full message, sender information, timestamp, and any attachments. So this basically allows the rest of the automation to process real-time customer issues as they come in. Next is the intercom module with list conversations. Once the email is detected, this module pulls recent conversation threads from Intercom, a popular live chat and customer support platform. It checks whether the user who emailed also had recent chat conversations, giving the AI a complete view of the customer's context. This module basically helps avoid duplicate tickets and ensures the agent or AI don't miss previous interactions. Next is the Freshdesk. Here is where the ticket is created. This module basically creates a new support ticket in Freshdesk. Using the information extracted from Gmail and the intercom modules, it combines details such as the email subject, customer info, and relevant chat history into a clean ticket structure. Freshdesk is often used by customer support team to organize, prioritize, and track issues. Next we have is the Zendesk. This is also basically like Freshdesk. This module sends the same customer query to Zendesk for businesses that prefer or use this platform. It allows the automation to be multi-platform, which is crucial for large teams or outsourced support services handling clients with different tech stacks. Next, we have 4 OpenAI ChatGPT modules. So basically, the first GPT module summarizes the customer's issue, combining the email context, past chats from Intercom, and ticket data from Freshdesk or Zendesk. The second ChatGPT module basically classifies the issues by urgency. Is it to be prioritized low, high, medium, and categorizing it like billing, bug, or inquiry. The third GPT module drafts a reply using a proper tone, formal, friendly, or apologetic, based on a detected sentiment. The fourth GPT module basically refines, adjusts the response for clarity and formatting, ready for customer delivery. All these AI layers reduce the support response time, ensuring consistency, and also handle basic queries without any human input. Next we have a router module. So this basically acts like a brainstem, deciding which path to follow based on what the AI has detected. If the issue was marked urgent, it sends to the first branch. If it has a low priority or resolve issue, it takes a different route. The router enables smart conditional logic within the automation. It splits the workflow on AI-based classification. The first Freshdesk module sends an automated AI-generated reply for the first branch, like basic FAQs. The second route basically sends a different template reply for another use case, for example, a refund request. And the third Freshdesk module, it creates a new ticket, potentially for a different department, for example, escalation to the tech team. Now, Airtable basically acts as a CRM or a database in this automation. Every interaction, ticket, or AI summary is stored here for long-term tracking. This creates a structured log of customer issues, AI responses, and decisions. Managers can analyze Airtable data to spot patterns, improve their FAQs, and assess how well AI is performing. Next is the tools module. This basically sets internal variables based on your prior modules. For example, you can set here escalate is equal to true if the GPT score was low, or response sent is equal to yes after a reply is issued. Next, we again have a Airtable module to search the records. So before sending a response or email, this module searches existing Airtable records to check for duplicate tickets or prior entries. It ensures you are not processing the same customer issue twice. If a match is found, the automation might skip creating a new ticket and simply updating the record. Next is again an OpenAI module. This GPT module basically crafts the final message to send via email. It could be a full summary of actions taken, a personalized thank you message, a resolution notice, based on the data of Airtable, ticket status, and AI context. It generates something clean and helpful. And last is the email module, which is the final step in our automation. This basically sends an AI generated response back to the customer. It closes the loop with a well-crafted message. This could include resolution details, tracking links, follow-up instructions, or a feedback form. With this, the automation basically ensures the user gets timely, polished, actionable communication without requiring a single support agent to type anything. Now the main question is, who can we sell this automation to? First, you can sell this to SaaS companies. They receive tons of customer queries each and every day via email, intercom, Zendesk, etc. Second is e-commerce brands. High tickets e-commerce or D2C brands. They have many common queries like order status, returns, deliveries, delays, etc. Next, you can sell this to agencies or virtual assistant companies. Agencies offering customer service or VA services can white label this automation for their clients. Next is B2B companies with customer success teams. Companies using Zendesk, Freshdesk, Intercom for support will love the centralized AI-enhanced ticket triage and reply system. So I hope this video gives you some value. You can sell this automation for up to $70,000 to $80,000 upfront and then charge $2,000 to $5,000 per month for maintenance. And the pricing is completely based on your services and the business size you are targeting. If you want to access this automation, you can get it for completely free in the description below. And there will also be a link to joinmake.com and create amazing automations like these. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.